Hey everyone, my name is Zizu2, and the topic was topic B. In a hypothetical economy with no taxes and no imports, people spend an average of 80 cents of every extra dollar they earn. The economy's GDP is currently at 750 billion, and its potential GDP is at 800 billion. The government believes that increasing government spending by 50 billion could bring the economy back to its equilibrium at potential GDP. So to solve this problem, we must define a very important concept, which is fiscal policy. This refers to when governments change taxes or government spending to shift aggregate demand to smooth out the business cycle. Discretionary spending was also present here, as this is a type of fiscal policy that is made by politicians or governments. In this problem, the solution the government decided to use was expansionary fiscal policy, and this is used to boost the economy through increased government spending and such or lower taxes, but that's not possible here because there's no taxes. By doing this, it shifts the aggregate demand curve right, which increases the real GDP and price level. So when governments increase spending, there should also be an increase in the economy or the spending by the individuals in the economy, which is referred to as the multiplier effect. Autonomous spending refers to when the initial change in government spending, since it is independent of other changes in aggregate demand. I have a quick diagram here to show you guys what's going on. So if you guys can see, government spending multiplier equals 1 over 1 minus MPC, or 1 over MPS. So MPC refers to the marginally propensity to consume, which is essentially how much of an earned dollar people spend, in this case 80 cents of a dollar. And MPS refers to how much an individual would save in that dollar, which is 0.2. So here we get 1 minus 0.8, which is 1 that, you get 5. So then the multiplier is 5 equals the real GDP, change real GDP divided by change in government spending. Rearrange, so flip these two, the bottom one here. You get real GDP over multiplier equals the change in government spending. And in the end, you get $10 billion. So if the government saves or spends $10 billion, it will boost the economy back to 50 billion more, which brings it back to potential GDP. So there's usually two problems with fiscal policy. Number one, it takes too long, the political process, and it also takes quite a bit of time to implement it. Number two, crowding out. Private spending is lowered due to it being crowded out by public spending. And thank you very much. That's my project.